this is a different video for me. I don't think I've ever even seen a video of this, but I'm sure it has been done before. I've done a huge wardrobe clear out and I have so many clothes that I want to sell, and I thought I would share with you guys the clothes that I'm going to be selling, trying them on, and leaving the links to, I think it will probably be Depop. Might be something that you guys want. It will only be UK shipping, I'm afraid. Okay, this is like half of the clothes I'm selling. These are mostly like, I've got sweatshirts and hoodies, some knitted jumpers, not all knitted jumpers, just a few, 2 pairs of jeans, and some like long sleeve peplum-y tops. I will be having like a more summery one coming up, and with some sportswear and dancewear. Without further ado, let's get on with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Here is the first item. It is a sweatshirt. This is Harper & Lewis, as you can see. It's kind of like a burgundy pinky red. I have mine in a size medium. Just thought I would just say my rough measurements. I am 5'7½", and typically up top I would be 6 or an 8, bottom half 8, sometimes 10. So yeah, this is in a medium. It's a really like perfect, ever so slightly oversized but not too much. Like I can roll the sleeves like this. Really cute colour, barely been worn. I just don't think the colour suits me. I think it makes me really pale, which is why I'm selling it, because it's literally the perfect sweatshirt. But yeah, this was originally £28, I'm pretty sure, and I'm selling it for £17 plus postage and packing. Sweatshirt number 2. So this is the golden Sheen sweatshirt. It's navy blue. This is in a size large. As you can see, it's not really a large. It probably, I would say, fits more like a medium. This is a really lovely fit. It tucks under. It's really quite soft inside still. Not super soft because it obviously has been washed, but I don't know if you can see. Still a little bit soft. It's just really cozy, comfy. This was £12.49 when I bought it. I'm selling it for £9 plus postage and packing. And yeah, it's just a really super comfy one. I am just selling it because I just never reached for it, and I don't know if it's because it has writing on and maybe just more plain. But yeah, that is this one. Here is the next one. You've actually probably seen me wear this in tons of videos. This is a Hollister sweatshirt. It is in an extra small. It's one of these like kind of, it's not quite a raw hem, but it like rolls up at the bottom. It's like a long crop. I wouldn't say it's cropped. I'm pretty sure I bought this for £25, but I can't actually find it. And I'm selling it for £15. This is what it is. It just says Hollister California, and it's got the logo. It's not super soft anymore. It's been well loved, but it is just a really good colour, really comfy, and for being an extra small, like, it fits really quite nicely, really comfy. Like, the material's not too tight and clingy. I just don't wear it anymore, basically. I feel like this is one that you've probably seen loads as well. This is my Wild Honey sweatshirt. So this is in a small. It's from Boohoo. I can't find how much it originally was, but I'm selling it for £8. This one is a little bit of like a tighter fitting. I would typically wear this tucked into jeans, so it was more like high-waisted and sat a bit more like this. I actually always got compliments on this. I don't know if it was the colour of the Wild Honey, but yeah, this one is a little bit more bobbly, very well worn, but a good all-round sweatshirt to wear. So yeah, that is this one. Okay, so here I have this cute little Chelsea Piers crop sweatshirt. This is in a medium, and as you can see, like, it's quite short on me. So I would say, like, if you're shorter than me, then this would probably fit you better. But this is super, super cute. It's this gorgeous pink and green colour, and then it has a little tie, so it can be cropped. It's super flattering. Like, the crop is a really nice length. It's just the sleeves are just a little bit too tight on me. Not even that, they're just a bit short, and I don't like that. When I wear sweatshirts, I like them to be really oversized. So yeah, this is listed as a medium. I bought it for £35 and I'm selling it for $20. But yeah, I literally love these colours. I actually have the matching joggers, which I'm keeping, unfortunately. I don't know if you can still buy the joggers, but it was like a 2-piece, bought separately. So yeah, it's super cute colours, really, really soft. Like, the inside is so, so fluffy, because I think I've worn it twice, but I just couldn't get over, obviously there's huge creases, it needs ironing, but I just couldn't get over how short it was on me, unfortunately, because I have the joggers and I would love to wear the two-piece. Okay, so here is the only hoodie that I'm selling, unfortunately. This is actually a really cute hoodie. I just don't like the fit of it on me. I prefer hoodies that like roll under and go like this, whereas this isn't one of them. So if this is the kind of hoodie you like, great. It is super comfy, super cozy. It's this gorgeous grey colour. It's just Jack Wills. It is a UK size 12, so do what you will with that information. I'm pretty sure it was £29 and I'm selling it for £17, which I think is a really good price. It's got pockets, a hood, drawstring, and it's still decently soft inside, which is good. So yeah, cute little grey hoodie. Okay, I'm trying to show you these jeans and they're just, oh, this is such a hard angle, I'm sorry. You'll have to excuse the mess. These are the Topshop Jamie jeans in black. I'm pretty sure they're a waist 25, leg 34, maybe a leg 32 though, I'm not positive. I'm selling these for £15. You can kind of see them, they're in really good condition. They just do not fit, like I literally am not breathing right now. They are super, super tight on me. They used to fit, they don't, there's a little string here, but it's not compromising anything. Sorry about the mess. So yeah, as I said, these are actually in really good condition. They just don't fit me anymore. The length is okay, but they just are way, way, way too tight. So the first thing I'm selling is, not first thing, the next thing of this thing is this Zaffle cardigan. It is a super cute cardigan. I just don't wear it, unfortunately. It is one size, but I'm just selling it for £4 plus postage and packing, obviously. Good deal. It is really super cute, I'm not gonna lie. And it's quite a soft material as well, actually. Okay, sorry about the noise, my dad has just started hoovering. This is a Boohoo, it says P. I feel like it might be a Boohoo Petite, size 6. I have had this for literally years. It's just a little bit too tight on me now. I would say it definitely is like a 6, maybe even a 4, but it is petite, so I don't know, I'm not like petite. So yeah, it is this gorgeous, oh my god, that noise, I'm so sorry. It's a gorgeous colour, it's got this wrap, and it's peplum. It's a really super cute height, especially with like high-waisted jeans, and yeah, it's super flattering. It's this like ribbed material, super cute. As I said, I've had it for years, I've worn it so many times, I struggle getting it on and off now. It's just a little bit too tight, unfortunately, but I literally love this top and I've worn it on so many occasions. I am selling this for £5. So we actually have another peplum top. This is a super cute one from Asos. It is a UK size 8 and I'm selling it for £6. It's this pink colour. It needs a little bit of an iron because I've not worn it in literally so long. I just think it's a bit too tight on me, honestly. But it is super, super cute. Yeah, it is just too tight. Like, you can literally see everything. That's the only reason. I literally love the colour. I love peplum tops so much. I find them just super comfy. I never used to like long sleeve tops, but yeah, my time has come to an end. It's a bit short, it's a bit tight. It's just not the one, as much as I love it. So I actually have the exact same as the pink one, but in green. Again, same reason, it's just too tight. Like, you can see it's just like creasing in the wrong places, but it is a super cute top. Literally love the colour of this one. It's a really just perfect like sage green, but yeah, this one will also be £6. Very cute. Next up, I have this Asos bodysuit. I love the neckline on this bodysuit, like with all my heart. I just never ever reach for this, unfortunately, because it is literally so cute. I have it in black, which I wear all the time, but the white I just don't. But I just love the neckline of it. Super, super cute. This is in a size 8 and I'm selling it for £6. But yeah, okay, we have this Zaffle shirt. I have worn this so many times, but I recently bought one from Primark, which I prefer a little bit more, so I've swapped. This is in a medium. I would say it is quite medium, apart from the sleeves are quite short, but I would always wear them either pulled up like this or with the sleeves rolled. So, I mean, depending on how you'd wear it, I don't think it really matters. I'm selling this for £7. It is super cute colours. I would typically wear it like this, maybe with a black crop top or a brown crop top. But yeah, it is, I don't know how well you can see, covers your bum. It's got this like cute little side detail, and yeah, I love it. It's super cute. These are the Asos design Farley mum jeans. They are a waist 26, leg 34. I'm selling these because I just don't feel very confident in light coloured jeans. Sorry about the rolled at top and the horrid angle. I roll the bottoms up typically just for like, I don't know, I just do. I'm selling these for £18. They are in really good condition. That literally the only reason I'm selling them is because I don't like them. I really just debated keeping them, but I just don't feel nice in them, unfortunately. But they literally fit so well, but yeah. Sorry about the angle. I will obviously include photos of what they actually look like. Why I didn't just roll the camera down to begin with. Next up, I have this high-waisted, not high, oh my god, words. Sorry, let me move you down a bit. Next up, I have this high neck Bershka top. I'm selling this for £7. It is in a size small. I actually really like this. I love wearing this with like a sweatshirt and then having this like lettuce hem poking out. I just don't wear it. I bought another kind of version of this year and I just wore it way more, but this is a really nice length. Like, as you can see, it actually sits quite nicely with high-waisted jeans. Typically I would like tuck it in or wear it under things as a layering piece, but it does just fit really quite nicely, and it's in perfect condition, like literally perfect. This is the next item. I literally have got so much wear out of this. I literally loved this. I just don't ever wear it anymore. This is from H&M and it is in a size small. I'm selling this for £10, which I think is a bargain. Yeah, it's got this really gorgeous, like, not quite high neck, like a, yeah, I guess, really comfy sleeves. It has got the tiniest hitch right here, but like, it's not really noticeable. I would usually wear this like tucked in at the front, just like that, or maybe like tucked in all the way around. It's a super comfy, like, smart, casual kind of thing. Like, say if you're at sixth form, I feel like this is a very sixth form thing, or a more like, I don't know, like a casually smart work thing, if that makes sense. But yeah, I literally used to wear this all the time. Love the colour. It's super comfy. It's a really just like lovely fit, and I always felt super confident in it. I just never wear it anymore, which is a shame because it is a very nice jumper. I feel sad giving this away. So here is the last thing. This is a Zaffle kind of like knitted jumper. It is in one size, but I would say it's probably like a small medium. The length is actually really good on the arms. It is this gorgeous like beigey brown, it's not even beige, I don't know, it's like a nudie browny colour dogtooth jumper. Again, really love the neck. I have got so much wear out of this, but it still looks in like really good condition. It's not super soft anymore, but it is still like, it looks really good. I would typically wear this just like tucked in like this, or again like tucked in all the way around like this, or I would just wear it loose with leggings. That always looked quite good because of the length of it. I'm selling this for £6, and yeah, it's just a super cute colour. I just don't ever wear it anymore. I feel like I overwear things and then I get really bored, and I feel like I need a switch up. Yeah, this is the last piece. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed a little different video from me. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out my social medias, which are linked in the description. And I'll see you guys very soon with another one. Bye!